should you run an engagement campaign before you run a conversion campaign on your Facebook ad? A lot of people want to gather a lot of likes and comments on their post before they run the conversion campaign. So then they run an engagement campaign. An engagement campaign is optimized just to get you likes and comments on your post. And that can be good because it gives the post and your business a lot of social proof. If a lot of people commented and liked your post, then it's going to give other people a lot more trust in your business and in the product. But the thing is that some people tend to rather want to leave negative comments and negative engagement rather than positive ones. And that's of course not good. That's not going to do anything good for your business. So if you do run a conversion or an engagement campaign, then watch out that you're not gathering negative comments or engagement. And anyway, when you run the conversion campaign, meaning the sales campaign, you're anyway also going to gather likes and comments there. So it's usually not necessary to run the engagement campaign first. Some people think that, and Facebook also says that you have to have 50 conversions in order to run a conversion campaign in order for Facebook to optimize correctly. But you can still run the conversion campaign and you will still get sales. So you don't have to listen to everything that Facebook is saying. It will optimize and get better as you get more conversions. But that's always like that. The ad will always improve over time because Facebook is learning all the time. So you can start out straight away with the conversion campaign and get sales right away. Comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. And if you want us to help you with this, then we specialize in getting leads and clients for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with me. There's a link in the description for that. And also please join our free Facebook group, Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Link in the description. Take care. Bye.